First, we must know this, that in Christ there is one nature, his deity, because he is the only begotten Son of the Father, and another human nature, which in very recent times he took upon him to fulfill the divine purpose. Our first task, therefore, is to see what the only begotten Son of God is, seeing he is called by many different names according to the circumstances and beliefs of the different writers. He is called wisdom, as Solomon said, speaking in the person of wisdom. The Lord created me, beginning of his ways, for his works. Before he made anything, before the ages he established me. In the beginning, before he made the earth, before the springs of waters came forth, before the mountains were settled, before all the hills, he begets me. Proverbs 8:22 through 25. He is also called firstborn, as the Apostle Paul says, who is the firstborn of all creation. The firstborn is not, however, by nature a different being from wisdom, but is one and the same. Finally, the Apostle Paul says, Christ, the power of God and the wisdom of God. 1 Corinthians 1:24.